from the TV series Diesel. Diesel does have good expressions. Trying to see if we can put this on to work. Flip face models are a great option that we might try soon. Not so soon. First the faces, then the rest. So far, so good. Looking good. What is your opinion? Yes, I'm gonna try. I do have a list. I remember. I'm telling you this again. We have a long list, and we can get 4 a day or up to 10 a day. But I'm trying to obviously paint. So we're gonna stay with 4 or 5 a day, because we need to paint the faces. I mean the eyebrows, the eyes. Um, so that's what we're doing right now. But we can print 10 a day. I mean, since the zero we can't build, put them together, and then print, we can get 10. But I want to finish the pupils, eyebrows on this prototyping thing. Looking good.